TruSkin Vitamin C Serum for face and eye area are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the TruSkin Vitamin C Serum for face and eye area from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Skin type oily, combination, sensitive, dry, normal product benefits hydrating scent fragrance-free brand TruSkin Naturals item form liquid about this item anti-aging face serum vitamin C blends with botanical hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, witch hazel, and jojoba oil in an anti-aging, skin brightening formula designed to improve wrinkles, dark spots, and under-eye dark circles. Our customers know best, don't just take our word for it. See thousands of reviews from real Amazon customers rave about brighter, fresher-looking skin plant-based formulation, no added synthetic colors, fragrances, parabens, phthalates, sulfates, PEGs, or GMOs. Our active botanicals combine in a silky smooth anti-aging serum that can be used day or night on face, neck and eye area. Certified cruelty-free by Leaping Bunny. Our vitamin C facial serum is also formulated, manufactured and bottled in the USA. For guaranteed freshness, extended manufacturer guarantee, love it or your money back. If for any reason you decide this product isn't a good fit for your skin, we offer a 90-day money-back refund. The expiration date is printed. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find the product links.